I used to have one of those fleece tarps that I had to put over the top every time and then take off again when I drove off.
What was the biggest problem back then?
The biggest problem was that I never remembered which way it went on. It was always a lot of fiddling around until everything was covered again.
How long have you had the bike home?
Oh, good question. I think 3 years now.
What do you like most about the bike home?
It's just so easy to open and close. It really is the simplest invention for storing a motorcycle in the garage. It's incredibly quick.
Why should someone choose the bike home?
The motorcycle is well protected, this garage doesn't take up much space, and it's so nice and easy to open and close.
Who would you particularly recommend the bike home to?
Of course, to anyone who doesn't have a garage or a carport to store their motorcycle, so that the motorcycle is always well protected.